Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on block screenshots for profiles on the IMMO application. So how to turn on block screenshots for profiles on the IMMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the IMMO app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap your profile menu here. A profile menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Edit button below. Next, tap the Privacy Settings menu. Next, tap Block Screenshot for Profile. Finally, tap Block Screenshot for Profile. So that's it, tutorial on how to change the music widget on the IMMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.